Hello friends, welcome to this new session here. We will discuss input-output set. The questions we will discuss here based on prelims level. Keeping that thing in mind that the level, whatever comes in respect of your prelims examination, we will solve the respective questions. Okay. Two input-output sets we will discuss here today, and each of this particular set having 5 questions. Right? After solving the input-output set, we will solve the set-based question also. So moving to the question here and see how we can solve this, how efficiently and at the minimal time taking we can solve this problem. That's our core intention here. So moving to the first set here. Okay, so first one 69, 35, 15, 74, 95, 35, and here you can see this is step 1. Even if it's not mentioned, you can just simply remember that this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, and this is step 4. And if there is further steps available, you can just named it like that. Now 69, 74, from this 58, 35, 95, 47, 15, 35, 34, right? So what should be the logic here? Just write it separately. 69, 74 gives 58, right? And here you can observe one thing that I have just mentioned. 69 and 74, from these two particular 58 comes, 35 and 95, 47 comes, and from 15 and 35, 34 comes. It's generally be mentioned that from which of these two particular number in combination you should derive that particular, that is in the consecutive step number, the followed up number here, that is 58. So 69, 74, 58. Okay, this is the first. Just write few more so that the rest too as well, so that it's easily visible that what should be the best possible logic here. 15, 35, and this is 34, right? So what could be the logic? See here 69. Okay, just see here, this is 6 plus 4, just extreme end number, that is extreme left hand and extreme right hand of both the number, that is 6 plus 4, 10, right? Okay, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, that is 16. Can you take the half of these two? This is 5, this is 8. 58 satisfied. Okay, 3 plus 5, extreme end number, that is extreme left hand, this is 3, extreme right hand, this is 5. So 3 plus 5, that is 8. 5 plus 9, that is 14, right? So again take the half, 47, satisfied. Now 1 plus this 5, right? This is 6. Okay, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, this is 8. So again make it half, 34, satisfied. So the step 1 is already done, right? Moving to step 2. In step 2, 5 into 4 plus 3. Okay, whenever you will definitely understand one thing, that whenever the number is less or not very high, just take the 10th place of all this number, that is 5, 4, 3, and make different combination. You will generally get the logic. Most of the time it gives the logic. Yes, you have to employ different kind of mathematical operation, that is true, but which way you should you should be directed. That is, I am saying that 5, 4, 3. From all these three number, take the 10 plus digit and take the unit plus digit in both the scenario. That is first 5, 4, 3, and then 8, 7, 4. Now try every possible combination, or whatever the combination you may like it, just follow it to get the desired number in step 2 I am talking about, right? So 5, 4, 3. It's quite confirmed that 5 into 4, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. Yeah, it's satisfying. Now you have to follow the next one as well. 8, 7, 56. 56 plus 4, 60. So that is the logic here. So 8 into 7 plus 4, that is 60. So yes, we are done with step 2 as well. Now step 3. Step 3, here you can solve it. 2 square plus 3 square. What will it give? 4 plus 9, 13. Yeah, satisfying. Now 6 square plus 0 square, no value at all, but yes, no, not having any specific significance. Now 6 square, that is 36. Yeah, this is also satisfying. Now 23 comes from, just take the difference of these two. Okay. Okay. So 13 and 36, right? So take the difference here only. Okay. Don't make any silly mistake that 13 minus 36 one should get minus 23. No, if it would be there, then minus 23 would be written, but it's written only 23. That means taking the difference. That's it. Okay. And don't think that 36, that means the right hand number, from right hand number, the left hand number is subtracted. No, that is not. Just simply think it that take the difference. Take the difference of these two numbers. That's it. Okay. No positive, negative confusion will be there. Just take the difference of these two numbers. 13 and 36, difference is 23. That is it. Okay. So we are done with the logic here. Just solve this input, given input here. That is first step 1, right? 63 in combination with 78, 16 in combination with 69, 83 in combination with 54. Okay, so what it would be? 63, 78. Just take the extreme number 6 and 8. 14, 14, half, 7. 7 plus 3, 10, that is 75. This is the first number, box it. 16 and 69. 9 plus 1, 10, half, 5. 6 plus 6, half, again 6. Box it again. 83 and 54. 8 plus 4, 12, half, 6. 5 plus 3, 8, half, 4, 64. Right? This is the step 1. Now, moving to step 2 here. Now, take the 10 plus digit. What we have done here, take the 10 plus digit and just follow up this operation, step 2. Right? So, we will do it. 7 into 5 plus 6. This is the said operation here. 7 into 5, 35, plus 6, 41. Right? Okay, moving to next. 5 into 6. I am just writing in detail so that you should not have any confusion. 5 into 6, 30 plus 4, 34. Right. These are the two numbers. Again, I am making a separation here. Okay. Step 3. Step 3. Take the square of individual digits and then add. Take the square of individual digits and then add. Okay. Here. Take square of individual digits and add. Right? So this is 16 plus 1, which gives us 17, and here is 9 plus 16, which gives us 25. Right? And step 4, just take the difference. 17 and 25, difference is 8. Right? So we are done with this particular input, and now moving to solve the respective questions. But before that, just copy this part here to the next page. Okay. Here it is. Right. So here are the 5 questions. What is the difference between the lowest number in step 2? Lowest number in step 2, that is 34. Okay. And second highest number in step 1, that is 64. Right. What's the difference here? Just 30. Okay. Don't write like 34 minus 64 and you are getting minus 30, and none of these options is intentionally given to make you in confusion. Don't fall in trap. Right. Just take the difference here. Mark this word here. What is the difference? That is 34, 64, difference is 30. So option D. What is the resultant if the lowest number in step 2, that is 34, right, multiplied by the highest number in step 3, that is 25. Okay, now here is again a simplification trick here, that is multiplied by 25. That means what? Multiplied by 100 and divided by 4, that is also similar. So this is 34 multiplied by 25, that means 3400 divided by 4. So divided by 4, what will you do? Just half. First make it half and again half, that is 1700. 1700 again half, that is 850. Just only we can do it, right? So option B. What is the sum total of the highest number in step 1, that is 75, and the lowest number in step 3, that is 17? So this is 92. So option A, right? Easy one. Once you get the logic, the questions, whatever it's asked in respect of that particular, that's a very, very simple. Okay. And this is a number based input output set. So once you get the logic, solving the set based question is not at all difficult. Question number 4 here. How many odd numbers in both step 1, step 2 and step 3? How many odd numbers, right? Odd numbers, that is 75 here. Okay, 41 here, step 1, step 2 and step 3. 17 here, 25, right? So 4, option D. One thing you should remember, that if it would ask that how many prime numbers are there, then only 41 and 17, two prime numbers, right? Okay, that's it. And 75 and 25 are not the prime number but odd number. Yeah, that's true. And it's asked about the how many odd numbers. So 4 odd numbers are there. If you would ask how many prime numbers are there, then 41 and 17, only 2, right? That's it. Okay. What is the resultant if the lowest number in step 1, lowest number in step 1, that is 56, just write it, get multiplied by the number in step 4, that is 8. So 400 plus 48, that is 448. So option B is the correct one. Right? So we are done with all the 5 questions here. And you can see that within minimal time you can solve this. Once you understood the logic in the given input, then it's solvable in absolutely no time. Within 2 to 3 minutes you can solve all the 5 questions, and this would carry significant difference while you are taking the examination, okay, among the other competitors. So keep that thing in mind. Moving to the next one here. Set 2, 25, 41, 23, 13, 62, 32. Right. Again, this is step 1. This is step 2. Yes, I have not written it here, but in examination it may be written, may not be. But you should understand that this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, and this is step 4. Right. Okay. Now again from 25, 13, 65 comes. Just write it here. 25, 13. This gives 65. Okay. 41, 62. See, while I am writing, I can visualize what's the logic follows here. From where? From this number, 23, 32. See, extreme numbers. 2 into 2, right? 2 into 2 gives 4. 3 into 3, in between numbers, that is 9, right? So 49, satisfying. 4 into 2, extreme numbers, extreme left hand, extreme right hand of both the number, that is 8. 1 into 6, that is 6, 86, satisfying. 2 into 3, extreme number, extreme left hand, extreme right hand, that gives 6. 5 into 1, that is 5, 65, satisfying. So step 1 we are done with at the very first moment, and this kind of understanding what's the pattern is going on at this particular question, you will understand if you have sufficient practice. That's a very old mantra. Yes, I am again repeating my words. You have to practice multiple times so that you can understand while you are looking at the question that yes, this could be the best possible logic. Yes, and most of the time it serves the purpose. Step 2 here. Step 2, right? Again, I will check taking the same place digit in each of this number. 6, 8, 4. 6, 4, 10, 18. Yeah, satisfying. I'm checking the next one. 6, 5, 11, 9, 20. Yeah, it's again satisfying, but the logic is even more simpler than what we have done earlier. Right? 6, 8, 4. Just simply summed it up and gives 18. 5 plus 6 plus 9. This gives 20. Okay, moving to step 3. Okay, 18, 9, 20. Okay, yeah, it's very simple. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 0, 2. Right? Okay, and step 4. It's easily can be anyone can visualize it. But yes, one important thing here, we'll talk about it. Just 9 divided by 2 gives 4.5. Right? In this kind of question, especially at the last level where only one number comes, you should check for different logic. And it may happen that in the set based question, the 5 questions or 4 questions, whatever be there may have some different result, but you have solved only one particular way and you feel that this is the correct one, no other possible combination should be there, and you mark it only one, and that is unfortunately the incorrect one, right? So you should follow up that if there is any specific way, so that from 9 and 2, 4.5 comes. Is there any specific way? See, yeah, it is 9 divided by 2, both the number divide by 2 and gets multiplied, right? This is also gives 4.5. Yeah, you may ask me that this is same. This both are same, giving the same result, but this two is this two. And what I am using this 2 and 2, just making both these numbers half. That's why I am taking this 2. Okay. So these are the two sets here. Okay, now moving to solve this question here, that is input 32, 52, 64. Thirty-two, 52, 64, 41, 31, and 21, right? So again, what we will do, just write the step one not here. Okay, so 32 corresponds to 41. This way we have to find out the consecutive steps, right? So here is the step 1, 32, 41. What do we do here? 3 extreme number, that is 3. Here is 1. So this is 3. This is 8. 38. Right? Now next one, 5 into 1. 5. 3 into 2, that is 56. 6, 1, 68. Okay. Moving to next step. Step 2 here. Right. In step 2, just take the 10 plus digit in one set and unit plus digit in the next set. Now 8, 8 plus 6, that is 14. So 8, 8, 16, that is 22. Right. In step 3, just summed up the digits here and write it. This is 5, this is 4. In step 4, this is 1.25. What's the operation we employed here? That is 5 divided by 4. And I told you, or another logic, it can be 5 by 2 into 4 by 2. Now you understood that these are the same, but these would not be the same. See, 2.5 into 2, this gives 5, right? So this is 1 and 1.25, this is 1, right? So carry on this stuff. We will move to the set based question and see the questions in the next page. Okay, just copy it to the next page. Okay, here it is. Right, just cut it short in. Yes, right. I hope this is okay. Right. What is the sum of two numbers in step 2? In step 2, 14 and 22. 14 and 22. This is 36. Option B. What is the resultant if the highest number in step 1, that is 68, is get multiplied by the highest number in step 3, that is 5? So this is 340. While I am reading the question, I am also able to solve the question as well. Okay. So this kind of knack you have to develop. Only practice more number of questions, this would automatically be developed. Okay. So 340, that means option C. What will be the value if the number in step 4, that is either 1.25, now comes into question. This is not none of this. This is both A and C. Okay. I am just fixing it because I know what's the answer. So that's why it's just a typo. Just fix it. What will be the value if the number in step 4 gets subtracted from the sum of the number in step 3? That is 9. So 9, 1. So 9 minus 1.25, right? it gives 7.75, and if 5 is there, 9 minus 5, that is 4. So 4 and 7.5, either, not both, but either, right? I am just again fixing it to make it clear to you. Okay, either A and C. So answer option E, right? So option A is the answer. 7.75 or 4. Both at a time can't be possible, so either A or C. What is the sum total of all numbers in step 1? Step 1, all numbers. 38 plus 56 plus 68. 68, 38. That is 106. 106 plus 56. That is 162. Option D. What is the resultant if the sum of numbers in step 2, sum of numbers in step 2 subtracted from the highest number in step 1? This is 36. Highest number in step 1, that is 68. So 68 minus 36, which gives 32. 32, option B, right? So two input output sets we are done with. I hope you understood. This can be understandable because these are very easy. In respect of your prelims examination, I have discussed these two questions here, and just make you understand the intention of taking this session. Just to make you understand that these are the kind of questions comes in prelims. You may think that these are the questions very easy. Yes, these are easy, but while you are in the actual examination, you feel that in a time bound manner you have to solve all these stuff. Okay, so I can say that this two input output set you should solve within 6 to 7 minutes. Each of these question at most 3 to 4 minutes is more than sufficient to solve. Okay, I may take more time because I have to make you understood. I have to say several kind of stuffs here, so that's why. But that is the kind of thing you have to solve more number of questions. You have to solve some advanced logic as well. We will deal with it in my upcoming session as well. So that's it. That's all for now. Good day.